Hello everyone, welcome back to Simply Makeup. My name is V. In today's video, I am going to change this look into something completely different. I'm glad you find this channel because on this channel I like to motivate and we are going to keep inspiring each other so we can be our best selves. This is how I changed the first look to this look. It's simple and easy. I love to have fun with my makeup. I do my makeup very easy and quick. And remember, we stay motivated here. We try to motivate and inspire each other so we all can grow and be inspired together. We are all on different levels in this life. My level is not your level is not my level, it's not somebody else's level. We are all on different levels. We need to learn to appreciate the level that we're on and keep moving so we can get to the next level that we are supposed to be and we want to be. Don't try to be on anybody's level. It doesn't work. You will get bored really fast because it's not you. Your level is your level. Enjoy your level. You never know what's going on in the other person's level. You don't know the amount of work, you don't know the amount of suffering, you don't know the amount of pain that is in the other person's level. Don't try to be anybody else but you. You are uniquely beautiful. You were uniquely made. Appreciate that and accept that and do your level. And do your level to the best of your ability, to the highest of the highest. But don't try to be anybody else's level. Me, Simply You, is telling you to go out and live life. Life is short, shorter than we think. We think we have all this time. We don't. We have a little bit of time on this beautiful green earth. Let us use it to the best way we can and keep doing it and loving it, whatever it is that we choose to do. Me, I am saying to have a fabulous, sexy, at any age, any size, any shade. I love it. Love it. When you start loving yourself and keep pampering yourself and knowing that you are enough, you can move mountains. Hopefully you were inspired to do something different today. Hopefully you were motivated to love yourself a little bit more, and I hope that's the case. I have this look on and I'm going to change the look into something else. It's something I like to do here on this channel also. So I'm just going to use the lip bar. We're doing quads this month. And I'm going back into the lip bar. I used that gray on my eyes already. I'm going to use the black and we're going to change everything to make it something different. Let's have some fun. Take your palettes out and let us have a little bit of makeup fun. So this look is going to change like day to night, night to day, whichever direction it goes, because I never plan these. I just go with the flow. So let us create something together. I love to tell little stories. So I usually tell them to my kids, but I'll share some of them with you. Growing up in the island of Dominica, we had something where we have wash day to wash our clothes. We just didn't wake up and go wash because we don't have washing machine or dryer. So we would pick a day. My mom would say, okay, Wednesday is the day we're going to wash. Hopefully it doesn't rain, because if it rains we can't go, because then the river gets all muddy and dirty, because the water coming out from the mountain running down into the river, and it creates a big mess. So we'd have a wash day, and then we would pack up everything, put it in a basin, a big round container, we call it a basin, and we would head down to the river. We would go there and wash all the clothes by hand, every piece of dirty clothes. And then there would be a rock. We'd have big rocks, and we would take the clothes and we would wet it, soak it, and we would roll it to take out the excess dirt from it. If that person worked in the garden, that clothes have excess soil, so we'd roll it, wet it, roll it, and watch the water until it, we think it's good enough. So we roll the clothes on the big rock or stone. Sometimes it doesn't have to be a big one, just one that's a little rough, so we can roll the clothes. And that's what our wash day was about. We did not have anything like washing machine like now. Now a lot of people have washer dryer now. We went to the river and washed our clothes and rolled that clothes on the rock. That was it. So, and after we were done washing the clothes, we would open the clothes on the rocks by the sea, because the ocean was right there. We have the Atlantic Ocean, so it's really rough on the side of Dominica where I live, the section of Dominica. So some days, the sea is really rough and it comes all the way in, so you have to make sure you don't put your clothes to dry too close. So we'd pick a certain section and put our clothes and just keep monitoring to make sure that the ocean didn't come too close. And our clothes would dry in the sun while we bathe in the river. We would bathe in the river while our clothes dry, or while it's drying, we would go look for stuff to eat, or we wash in another set of clothes while it's drying. And then once that was done, we would fold our clothes and head home. We always carry a piece of plastic bag with us just in case it rains, because I am telling you, if it rains, all the clothes will get wet. So we make sure we did not get that happen to us. Many times, it starts raining, there's no place to shelter most of the time, because people don't have the downstairs of their house usually is the store. So that was part of the stuff, and that's what happened, and we make it work. It worked for us. You just cover your clothes, tie the clothes down in the basin, and you walk all the way home. You're soaking, but the clothes is okay by the time you get home. And that was something we do. It is so interesting, the things that we did. So, but those little stories and more is in my new book, and my website information is in my description box. So if you'd like to purchase the book, go ahead and do so. If you have bought the book and you'd like to leave me a comment, please do so on Amazon, because then that helps the book to be shown to more people. There's the more people who buy it and the more comments that you leave makes the book circulation very, very good. So if you have bought this book, my first book, which is on Amazon, called Growing Up in the Island on the Island of Dominica, please go ahead and leave me a review, an honest review, and I would appreciate that very much. This is my look. I just changed one look to something different. I just add the black, as you can see. So I hope you enjoy the video and the talk through and the stories. But this is where I grew up. My first 13 years of my life, I grew up in Dominica. I was born in Dominica. Keep watching, keep sharing, keep promoting, and I am signing off and saying, I love you all. I am saying bye. See you in another video.